You push stop.
Son of a... You dirty rat.
Go pretty quick.
Yeah.
It's not gonna fall, bro. It's not over yet. That's what I'm worried about.
Oh yeah, is this the agency? Good. Yeah, I'm gonna need another one. Yes, I know I've been through 20 this month, but you keep sending me the most useless dossers ever. I just need someone to turn up and do the job. It's not that hard.
That's never coming into there, like.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Here's a classic forklift fail. This master of forks is lowering a pallet of glass bottles. We can already see the results of his initial attempts. Fuckity fuckaroo. I say walk away, mate. Let the problem marinate and it'll sort itself out in time. Nah, I don't think it will sort itself out.
The boss man says this morning, he says, hey, you think maybe you could go one day without fucking up? I said, absolutely, boss man. I said, let's start that tomorrow though, because I'm not sure that today's fuck up's already been penciled in.
Yep, go ahead and start swinging it. Go slow. All right, hold on, stop. Don't hit the building. Get the fuck out of the way. Oh my God.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Yeah, I want to see it drop. Oh!
Wow.
Oh!
Uh-oh. Hey, when I returned it, it was like that.
Yeah. Holy cow. Look at that. Damn.
All right, guys.
We got a real big oopsie. A real big oopsie.
Saturday morning, January 25th, 6:13 a.m. Rashad, he's sick and tired of being sick and tired of all this lumber being behind the store. He can't get to it because he's got to get a manager to unlock the gate. So you know what? He's going to get 5 hacks. Yes, 5 hacks of whitewood and bring it inside so he can help the customers inside the store because all the lumber is behind the store. So there he goes, chilling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hacks of whitewood. Just driving, just cruising along, Can't wait to get this inside the store. Let me go and raise up a little bit, give myself a little bit better vision, you know. Oh no, there's that. Oh, that was rough. Look at the dust, like that's crazy. But good thing he's all right. He's all right. But yeah, we got some wood to pick up now.
Wow.
别笑。你别笑。